Hi, my name's Fraser and today I'm going to be doing an analysis of a Year 5-6 English classroom. So how does the teacher's behaviour impact learning and student well-being? In the video, the teacher shows active listening. When listening to students, she supports their learning by valuing the students' thoughts and opinions. The teacher does this by making eye contact, nodding and paraphrasing. The teacher also supports their learning by sitting alongside students when working. Throughout the lesson, the teacher uses a calm voice, which creates a peaceful and reassuring atmosphere in the classroom, helping students feel safe and secure. The teacher actively roams around the classroom during transition time to support students in transitioning in an orderly and organised manner. The teacher also gives instant feedback, which is good because it acknowledges and recognises the students' efforts and achievements as they occur. This recognition identifies accomplishments and boosts their students' confidence and motivation, supporting their well-being. The teacher also reminds the class of expectations such as putting their hand up and ensuring they are ready to learn. Another important teaching behaviour is knowing your students. In this case, she knows that one of her students has ASD and would require extra support. The teacher also mentions that some of her students have auditory issues and would need more support in some areas of their learning to help with their well-being as well. She might have strategies such as having those students at the front of the class or using assistive technology such as headphones or audiobooks. So what are some of the ways that the students are engaged in this class? Students are using multiple mediums such as laptops, big TV screens or just their books. The teacher engages the students in a range of questioning techniques. In the video, the students are encouraged to have a go, as the teacher asks many students different questions. However, she doesn't choose randomly, therefore she avoids giving students anxious feelings. I can also see that the students are praised in their class when they follow the set expectations, and they are rewarded when they are engaged, promoting other students to also do the same thing. Throughout the video, it can also be seen that the students are working in groups and collaborating to help with their engagement. This also means that the students are working in similar learning needs groups. When students are tasked with this, they are able to engage more with their learning. The teacher also uses positive body language, such as leaning in and nodding when the students respond. They are more likely to be engaged and thus work more productively. The teacher also uses technology, such as which the students find very engaging. This allows the students to use devices such as laptops to demonstrate their learning and complete the activity. So how can the teaching experience be effective or adapted? One thing the teacher can do is ensure that the task is appropriate to the level of the students on which activity they are doing. So what classroom management strategies are used to make this learning environment effective? In the video, the teacher rewards good behaviour as a part of the classroom management strategies to help create and maintain a positive learning environment where all learners feel that they are able to contribute. The teacher has also established good relationships with her students and is shown through the positive interaction and orderly classroom environment. The teacher ensured that the expectations were clear and reinforced as a part of the classroom management to create and maintain a positive learning environment. These expectations are made together with the students and are focused on highlighting the positives rather than the negatives. On the board behind her, there are also posters that have visual prompts that would act as reminders to the students. The teacher ensured that routines were followed as a part of the classroom management to ensure that the students had minimised disruptions and were able to build independence and had more structured lessons, leading to a better learning environment. In regards to the physical learning environment, in the video it's clear that the space is inclusive and is a learning-friendly environment, which is vital, as stated by Churchill. The teacher sits at the front of the class at all times, so she is clearly visible to the class and makes eye contact with all the students. The learning environment is structured with us in a space where students are sitting on the carpet, but there are also tables with group names, so each student has a space to complete their work. What are some effective teaching strategies used to make the classroom inclusive to all? The teacher conducts a whole classroom discussion in which all students are encouraged to participate and listen to various ideas from the other students. Killian and O'Toole agreed that other students can also gain understanding from this practice. The teacher can also be seen working with a small group, ensuring that the learning is given to those who may need it more, which is effective in helping students learn parts of the content, as stated by Killian and O'Toole. In the video, it can also be seen that the students are doing some cooperative learning. This strategy means that the students collaborate independently and can also achieve more, as also mentioned by Killian and O'Toole. Thank you for listening to this analysis.